Hey YouTube, how you all doing? Check it out. Putting together my solar system for my Jayco travel trailer, model number 212QBW. For starters, I want 2 more panels, but I think it's time to get started, even though I only have 2, 100 watts each. And stay tuned, and hopefully I get started with this project. Again, just a quick video. 40 amps MPPT controller, dual stick. There's my dog. Got a box here. It's going to be going on my roof. It's going to be the combiner. And I got a few cables. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Again, stay tuned. And I hope to get this project going. Just waiting for the weather to get a little better. Thanks. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now. Check it out.